You just saw someone yawn, and now you feel like yawning too. It's not just coincidence, and it's not about being tired. When you see someone yawn, your brain activates areas involved in empathy and social connection. Certain neurons, often called mirror neurons, help you simulate what other people are doing. So when you see a yawn, your brain partially copies it. Studies show contagious yawning is stronger between people who are emotionally close, which suggests it's linked to social bonding. In fact, research shows people are more likely to catch a yawn from friends and family than from strangers. It may have evolved to help groups synchronize behavior, like sleep cycles or alertness. So next time you catch a yawn from someone else, remember your brain is syncing with them.